Brooklyn, stop it. I'm with my niggas like Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Get your gorilla on. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. I'm with my niggas like Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brownfield, Brooklyn, stop it.
I keep my hand on my hammer, banana clip when I jam ya. Hate a man with no manners, I slap your man with the slammer. Uncle Sam got a planner, film your man with a camera. Jam your mans up in cannons, go on the lamb out in Canada. Rob you bandana wearing scramblers and gamblers. Give it to panhandlers, I blame a Bama from Atlanta to Tampa. These niggas is animated like Hanna-Barbera. Blood in your mouth to aim ya. Lance can't understand ya. My man Mr. Influential got more hoes to Santa, cause he make it rain, dear. Like Rudolph and Prancer. If you a fan of my grandma, it's not a man that you scared of, cause you always prepared to use your antenna. Strong as the Hannah Montana. You gotta cancel the cancer. I'm nasty like my Atlanta, hot as a Panama camper, dirty as Pampers and Hampers. Yes, I am the commander. You only sample my sample. I'm deep as a Black Panther, cause there's nothing more clearer than the man in the mirror. But what's good for the goose ain't always good for the gander.
Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. I'm with my niggas like Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Get your gorilla on. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. I'm with my niggas like Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brownfield, Brooklyn, stop it.
I listen to R&B, I don't listen to rap often. Every time I hear a rapper, these niggas be trash talking. When I see them in the street, I be ready to grab on them. I be walking right behind them, you see they be fast walking. My homie ain't my homie no more, I blast on him. He talk too much, he telling everybody we did it jokes for 10 stacks. I laughed on him, he ain't know we really did it for 40. I stashed on him, I ain't with all the eyeballing shit, that's boring. But when you look at me, why you always be mad dogging? I was cruising, listening to Beyonce Harmony. These niggas swerved, they tried to collide they car with me. I was expecting to hear the guy say pardon me. They threw their middle fingers up and locked their eyes with me. Now why they bothering me? I followed them off the highway and robbed them. That's what I call highway robbery.
Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. I'm with my niggas like Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Get your gorilla on. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. I'm with my niggas like Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brooklyn, stop it. Brownfield, Brooklyn,
I don't like to name names, cause that's how a lame could gain fame. Now his only claim to fame is you saying the lame name. It's the same game, it ain't changed, don't name names. If I say lame, it's the same thing, your name lame. Niggas speak the same slang, claiming the same gang, but they don't got the same brain frame. While you trying to get money, he trying to play brave. How we gonna read the book together if we not all on the same page? Hit him, hit his chick too, cause when that ratty pop, you know she gonna be riling out when she see her daddy shot. Especially when she get harassed by all them fat flabby cops. That hotel like the Marriott. My niggas in recovery who got hit up and ain't never bitch up. I wanna send a big up. I seen niggas fall off cause they slipped up. It ain't about how you fall off, it's how you get up.